Morning, guys. It's Thursday and it's math time. Woohoo! So today we are going to be learning about nets. So a net is something that you fold up to create a three-dimensional shape. So I'm going to be showing Mr. Hyatt some nets and we're going to see if he can figure out what three-dimensional shape it'll turn
Ooh,
into.
I'm up for the challenge.
Woo! Okay, so the first one is this one. Okay. So what do you think, Mr. Hyatt?
Well, I see lots of triangles, so I'm going to guess that that is a pyramid.
Hmm.
So we've got all these triangles, and then we have a pentagon here. So I'm assuming that's also the base. Actually, I know it's the base.
Because there's only one, right?
Yeah. So, and if you look at the way you would have to fold this up, you know that right here is going to be your vertex, or one of them, one of your vertices. Sorry. That would be a pentagonal pyramid.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Okay, so that was first question. Let's see if we can do another one. Woo-hoo. Okay, check this one out. All right, so there's the net. What do you think, Mr. Hyatt? What is this?
Well, I see lots of rectangles. And so yesterday we had mentioned that shapes that have rectangular faces for the sides are prisms. So these are prisms, and then we have one hexagon on each side. So those have to be, as well as our faces, but there also one of those would be the base. So that would be a hexagonal prism.
Perfect. That's exactly it. Two bases and rectangular faces. Awesome. Okay, so if we were to look at this part of your pages, I'm going to look at B. I'm going to say, okay, there's triangles and one square that's different. So I know that that's my base, and these triangles make it a pyramid. So then I would say, oh, I know that this is B. So then I'd write the capital letter B here. Then for B, I'd say,
Oh,
okay.
don't do it anymore for them. They can do it. They can do
Spelling
it.
them? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the next one is match the shape to the name. So first I'm going to look and say, which one of these is pyramid? Well, this one's a pyramid triangle. This one's a pyramid because there's triangles in one base. So then I look at here and I say, okay, triangular pyramid. Oh, it's right here. So I write a capital G. I won't give them any more.
Don't give them any more.
This one, what 3D shape am I? I have 6 faces that are triangles and one face is a hexagon. So the hexagon is base, and then all the faces. Stop it, Mrs. Hyatt. Stop telling them the answers.
They can do this.
And then this one, I have 6 faces that are rectangles and 2 faces that are hexagons. 2 faces, rest rectangles. For this one, what you have to do is you have to look at the base. So here's your bases, and you write that here. So this is a triangle, a rectangle. This is a cube. Stop it. So I write down that base name here, and then I write whether it's a pyramid or a prism. Then I figure out how many faces, vertices, and edges, and then I draw those faces here. Okay, so those are your 2 pages that you have to do today. Let me know if you need any help with anything. Thanks so much. Thanks, Mr. Hyatt. Thanks.